Okay, so today we are doing our first day of the spring cleaning series that I have for you guys, and we're going to start with the kitchen. Hopefully this is going to be the hardest one, other than maybe the bathrooms and closets. Maybe I'm lying. We're doing the kitchen first. So in my videos, I've noticed that you can't really see how bad our cabinets are. So I will show you those, but our cabinets have a lot of, I don't know, but the paint does, I don't think it's not right cabinetry paint. So things just like absorb into the cabinets. So we are going to paint those, clean the cabinets, paint them, do the oven, clean the fan, organize a few of our cabinets, which are kind of messy, clean the microwave, I have my list, organize a couple of drawers or cabinets that are a little out of hand. Kyle and I try to keep this room or the kitchen as organized as possible. I will be doing the pantry next, so stand by for that. I do have a fairly large kitchen or pantry, but before we did the addition, we had a very small, it's like 3 or 4 shelves, and it was like very, very tiny. So I do know the struggle of small pantry organization. And I will give you all of my tips and tricks with pantry organization. Hold on one second, baby. So I think that's it. I have my list around here that I will just check things off so I don't forget anything. This is gonna be a 2-day for me, so you'll see me in a different outfit tomorrow. With cleaning the oven, I know that takes time. So, and like paint, we're gonna paint tonight after we finish cooking dinner, so no one touches anything. So the kitchen won't be in use after dinner, so I'm going to paint with some wine. For doing the oven, I just have this, gloves, and I went to the dollar store a while back and I got like a bunch of scrubbing tools. We are setting up. And don't wear anything that you don't want to get ruined. I also do want to say that my kitchen is decently clean, because I feel like if you're going to do deep cleaning, kind of needs to be clean before you pull everything out, if that makes sense, or you're going to have even a bigger mess. So I got these cabinets cleaned, prepped for painting. So tonight all we'd have to do is just take the handles off and we can paint. Let's check on this oven. Oh my. Are we gonna get some satisfying swipes? Oh my goodness! Look at that, guys, that's crazy. Crazy. It's disgusting. All right, so we have 20 minutes while the oven cleaner is doing its thing. So we're going to clean the fan really quick. I don't think my fan's that dirty, but we're gonna clean it. Hopefully by then we will be done, we'll be ready to do the oven. Dollar store sponges that I had, and used water and soap the first round to get most of the dust off, and then I went back with like a multi-purpose spray to get any remnants left over. So this was pretty quick and easy. I know it's not gonna be like that for the rest of my house. There wasn't that much of a difference. Oh my goodness. So that was quick and easy. Not all my fans are this clean, and surprisingly it's my kitchen that's the cleanest, but whenever we do the living room and our bedroom, it's gonna be a whole different issue. It's gonna be a ladder situation. It's not gonna be easy. It's gonna be a mess. Anyways, so we have the fan done. We have about 6 minutes until we can start messing with the oven. Doing that, I have my little list of all the things I need to do. So I'm able to take off, the fan is done. So we got fan is done. So, all right, now we are going to wipe down all my cabinets so they have enough time. Well, one, they need it, and two, so we can paint them tonight. So that's what we're doing right now. I'm just putting soap in a little bowl because my sink is not empty, or I would just put soapy water in here. But I'm just putting some dish soap with some hot water so I can just wipe down cabinets. So hopefully you guys can see this. So this is a cabinet above our oven, and it's just with the grease and dust, it just kind of sits and it's nasty. We got cobwebs. Nasty. just put a little bit of soap, like dish soap on here. I'm just gonna get up all up in there. So I am kind of at the point where I'm really over this oven. I did it 4 times. I'll do a better shot later, but this is as clean as she's gonna get it. Surprisingly enough, an oven is not black. It's always crazy. So these are done. I need to oil these up. These are probably gonna get done tomorrow. My kitchen is kind of messy with cleaning supplies. I'm trying not to freak out, but I know. So, trying to clean up tonight so I can paint after dinner. I just gotta wipe down these. That's my goal. So, doing that now. Got these lower cabinets all painted. looks a million times better. Tomorrow I'll do these. You can definitely tell the white difference. It is light enough. I'm done. See you tomorrow. Clean cups. Alright, so quick note, and you'll notice this in maybe my past and possibly my future videos of the reason why I don't show the entire video of me organizing an entire space. And this short clip, you'll be able to see why. You know, I'm constantly moving product around and trying to see what works best in this space. So that's the reason why I don't do the whole thing, because I mess with pieces so much, and I worry that if I take a photo and then I move it around and then it looks better and then it just, you get where I'm going. I'm constantly moving items around, and it's honestly real life. And whenever I worked with an organization company, that's what we did. We, you know, moved things around until it worked perfectly, and I think that's, you know, you can see right here, I thought it was gonna work, and then I moved a piece and then I changed it up completely. So do you guys like to see the entire clip of how I organize things, or just the final product? Which do you like better? Alright, so with these drawers, we recently did like our under the sink. I can leave a link for that video in the description box below. But I did a deep cleaning of our under the sink about a couple weeks ago, so that's pretty clean. And we have like a few spaces in here that we're going to clean. But so I need to do these drawers. These are kind of like our go-to drawers there. A little out of hand. I already have separators that I implement, but I need to just like wipe them out and organize it a little bit. So we're going to do that really quick, and I will show you how I did all this. Alright, so this took kind of a long time. So what I usually do is, we're all organized. I washed everything, took these containers out, washed them, washed these. So it's all, we keep our knives right here. the ones, I think maybe one day we might get like a, I want to redo the whole kitchen one day, but like one of those magnetic strips for them. But this is what we have now, a lot better. Before we had a ton of those medicine things because my son was on medication, and they gave us a new syringe every time, so that's all better. These are what we kind of use on a daily basis, measuring cups. This is just what we do. I'm gonna have to upload this. And then this is what we use every so often, but not all the time. So, and then this is just KitchenAid, or my mandolin, and Instapot stuff, and extra measuring cups. Last space to organize. We almost did it, people. We're almost done. This is very narrow, so I don't know the shots that I'll get, but you can see life happens. It happens to the best of us. So, I'm gonna organize this very nicely. Shine also has for your washer machine too. So going to do this and then we are done, y'all. We are done. I'm so excited. So you can see I have like a little bit of buildup. It's kind of nasty. So it says use 2 for really bad buildup. So I'm going to do that. Put a normal cycle. And we're done. All right, you guys, and we are finally done. I know it kind of looks the exact same to a lot of you guys, but I was able to get rid of about a full Trader Joe's bag, and then I was able to fill up another one. Here, I'll show you. Was able to get rid of. I'm actually gonna throw some of these out because you know what? I feel like, yeah, you can donate some stuff, but if it's just not good quality and if you wouldn't use it, why would you have someone else use it? I don't know. So I only try to donate things that are worth donating. If it has seen better days, I don't really, no one else deserves junk, you know what I mean? So all right, so we have nicely painted cabinets, organized drawers, a clean microwave and oven. I probably need to do the oven like one more time, but got all of that done. My drawers or my shelves were, for the most part, they're relatively clean. Up there I did add some baby like snack bowls and stuff because I do have little nieces. Up here is just KitchenAid. So, and then this right here, it has always been relatively clean. Guest room remote because my son steals it. So, and I got rid of a lot of the clutter in here. We do mainly drink out of the water bottles and like metal straws. So, and I don't know where all of my cups are, husband. Don't know where these all are. And then we use those cups kind of during the summer outside. I don't care if the boys ruin them, but that is that. The window screens are all beautiful. It's beautiful. Again, you could probably go in with the toothbrush. Maybe, you know, the further I get along with this spring cleaning, I might end up getting a toothbrush on all of the windowsills, the ones that are the older part of the house, and get all of it. But this to me is just like night and day. So nice. I actually want to open my windows now and it's gonna be warmer, so I'm so excited. I dusted off all of the light fixtures, the fan, What else? I judged some of the drawer organization. I will link down below junk drawer, and there's some other, oh, I think the junk drawer and under the sink video for you guys to do. This is absolutely amazing. I did, since for the most part, whenever the kitchen is clean, I don't like to have the drying rack up. I like the least amount of items on my counter as possible. So one part of the drying rack is actually in the dishwasher, hopefully getting the deep clean with the dishwasher. And then I hand washed this because it couldn't fit, but it's just, it's a great space to have. If I have guests over, I can, you know, put the drying rack in there. Now I have space. So I got all of my, what are these called? Oh my gosh, I'm blanking. I got all of these up there. I got some smaller cutting boards. I have the big cutting boards, and then these are just kind of the pitchers and stuff that we use now that it's spring. I'm so happy. I didn't really touch these because this is pretty clean. This is where the appliances that we use often are, like food processor, blender, crock pot, the griddle, that all is there. And then we just have Gladware in there, which is not that bad anyways. So it's not too bad. Again, it's a space that you could do. I think that is it, you guys. I am so happy with how this turned out. What do you guys think? Can you tell if the cabinets look better now? What do you think? Oh, I didn't show the inside of my beautiful microwave, nice and white. So next we have my pantry, and I'll do a quick little boop so you guys can see how bad it is. Boop. So I'm not going to show you guys too much, but next is the pantry. And look at my little, I got this guy the other day. Look how cute. Well, I'm gonna focus. There we go. Look how cute this guy is. I love the circles. So, and then I kind of kept with my spring from Valentine's, kind of keeping this going. This is kind of making me crazy that these are mismatched, but I ran out of my rose and I have the peony, but kind of matches, right? Right? You guys would tell me, right? All right. So that is done, you guys. Yay! Are you guys gonna clean your kitchen? Spring cleaning. This was the first room and we are done. It only took 2 days. My goodness. All right, you guys, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is number 1. So hopefully this is gonna be a fun, not too overwhelming spring cleaning series I have going along. I'm really trying to get 2 videos up a week, but I take a really long time editing. So I do think I'm getting better over time. Also, if you guys like cozy sweaters, this is from Target and I got it on clearance for like $17. It's the Cozy brand. It's like wearing a hug. It's so comfortable. So you need it. But I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below a few of the questions that I had throughout the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. It feels so good to have just like less clutter in the kitchen, and it's running the best way it possibly can. So it makes life for everyone better. So again, thank you so much for watching. Bye. Clean because I don't have any space for anything.